How to sign out Outlook app on Android and iOS devices. This video is meant to be for all the Android and iOS devices user because all the steps are applicable for any of the device. Do follow all the steps till the end of the video. Without much ado, let's get started. Open Microsoft Outlook web version or the application on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account. Tap Google at the top left corner of the screen. On this panel, tap gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Scroll down under General, tap Accounts. Choose the existing account or add any account. Now scroll down to the bottom, tap Remove Account and select Remove from all mobile devices. Tap Remove and the account has been easily signing out. So that's it. That's how we easily log out or sign out Outlook app on Android and iOS devices. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.